Good morning, it's Tania here from Tatty Treasure shop. All the links will be down in the description box. So I wanted to come back today and show you the other set, the other floral set that I made. The last video I did part of a purple set, and I've come back to show you this yellow set. So I've got two notebooks, just small little notebooks. So I think the yellow and greens work really nice with the piano paper. So it's just a simple envelope. And another one. You can just see the writing on the piano paper. I will come back another time and do some clusters and some ruffles with the piano paper. So I'll show you the rest of the purple because I didn't finish it on camera. So I did keep that like that. I thought that was all it needed. It was pretty enough. I did this one off camera. All the kits and supplies that I've used you'll be able to find in the description. If you have got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I've really enjoyed working with the piano paper. I feel like you know, I've got another paper now to add into different projects. And then the first ones that I did was the bird ones. So lost an envelope. Oh, here we are. So the two notebooks and the tags, and then the blue set, which this one has been sold. And the two envelopes. So I thought, while I was here, I'm going to do another crafting video later today, but I thought while I was here I'll show you what's going to be going up in my Etsy shop in the next few days. Won't be up till at least the weekend. So I've got some pockets. So they're triple pockets. I've got two blues and two browns. This one has been sold. They're all, you know, the same, just different papers. So there's a pocket there, pocket there, and a pocket at the back with a lovely notebook which has been made out of a glassine bag. It's got a nice tag at the back, some different coloured papers. So that's those. Then if you stuck it on your page, you could also have a tuck there or behind. So I'll just put these back in so I don't want to get them mixed up. And that's the other blue one, the notebook in, that is that one. That's a brown one. I think that one could be my favourite, but I am drawn to the blue ones as well. Like I say, this one has been already sold. So that's the pockets. Then I've done some file folders. What I've done is sewed two together so they make a pouch. I've done two on that side, excuse me, and two righties and two lefties. Let me get my ruler. So they are 8 inches long and 5 inches wide. So, you know, they could be put in a journal, or they could be used as a standalone piece to keep your bits and pieces in. They're all different, but the themes, they're the same. So I think there's 20 items altogether. Some have been sewn, they're all backed, they've all been inked. They're different tags from different kits with some lovely ribbons and Sari silks. But again, I shall put all the I won't put the individual kit names, but I shall put the shop names for all the kits that I've used. It's a little seed envelope. So that is those. If you did want to purchase anything before they go in my Etsy store, then, you know, just get in touch. All my links will be below. So these are little envelope booklets. So let's have a look at this one. So it's just got a wrap around and some edging down the side. Open it up, you've got your tin holes, slots, lots of little tags in, little tuck at the back of the envelope, and there's a little tiny card in there. And pull that out. That's a little booklet. And this is a removable scrappy pad, so you can use that and then make another one and put it back in. Little pocket, and then at the back there's a postcard. Again, I can't get it in. Again, these are all, you know, they've got the same types of things, all very, very similar. So that's those ones. And then these little lunch bag bags. So that's those. And I'll just go to this one. So there's just some jute string wrapped around. Open it up. So it's got quite, I've not sewn these in, I've just done it with an elastic, so you know you can write in these and then change your papers. In the front there's some goodies, there's a scrap pack and collage tag. There's another tag inside. Oh no, there's not. It's envelope, and that should have a little card inside. And then at the back there's a couple of tags. Oops, that's stuck together. Hold on a minute. And then a collage tag. So that's the paper bag ones. I always think these are very nice in your hand. A nice size. I think they're 5 by 5. Oh, about 4 3/4 by 5. Yeah, I did think there was like a 5 by 5. And then the final things are these weekend note books. So you get a little scrappy type pad. Again, I've done 2 blue and 2 browns. So you open it up, you've got 4 pieces of writing paper there, removable scrappy pad, and then a selection of tags there. So that's it. I just wanted to nip on and show you what I've been making the last month, and give you a sneak peek before it goes into my Etsy store. Like I say, I will be filming another video later, which I shall put up over the weekend. So I hope everybody's well, and I shall speak to you soon. Bye.